Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. First is peel your 2.5 pounds of apples. Alright, so what you want to do after you've peeled your apples is you want to cut the top and the bottoms off, and then you want to cut it into quarters, and then once you have it in quarters, you want to cut the center out, which is called coring the apple.
Next, what you want to do is cut the apple quarters into thin slices. First, you pour in 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg. Then you pour 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And 2 tablespoons of flour. And you mix it all together.
What you're going to do with the flour, sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg that you mix together, you're going to throw it in with your thinly sliced apples, and then you're going to toss it all together like that until the mix is completely mixed in.
Now you just fold in your apple filling.
So for our apple pie, we're going to have a crumb topping, and to make a crumb topping, you mix together 1/2 a cup of flour, 1/2 a cup of firmly packed brown sugar, and then you want to cut in 3 tablespoons of butter, and you're cutting it in 1 tablespoon at a time, and you're going to mix it all together with a whisk. You mix up your crumb topping, it should look like this, and then you grab a handful of it and sprinkle it over your apple, and you repeat this until the entire pie is covered in the crumb topping.
Your pie should resemble something like this, and then you put it into the oven for 45 minutes.
Bottom shelf.
Okay, so once it comes out, your final result should look like this. All yummy and delicious.
So before you eat the pie, you want to make sure and let it cool off for a little while. And